ChatGPT is much more powerful than most people think. In this episode, we'll show you practical tools and integrations that can help you write better, understand more, and make everyday tasks easier without needing to be technical.
As viewers, you will be introduced to several practical tools, real-world examples, simple uses, and how to get better results without the mumbo-jumbo of technical language, I promise. ChatGPT is different. It is not just a chatbot. It can think through tasks, organize ideas, compare options, and connect to tools that help get work done. ChatGPT can work with helpful tools such as those for web browsing, image creation, data analysis, plugins, custom GPTs, and memory. It will help improve your web browsing experience. This skill helps when people need current information, understanding recent changes, performing research, comparing prices, assessing news reports, or seeking other up-to-date answers. DALL-E image creation, in practical terms, is a text-to-image generator that converts written descriptions into visual images using AI. It is a powerful tool made available by ChatGPT. In essence, if a user can describe what they want, ChatGPT can help create visuals for projects, cards, posts, and presentations. ChatGPT uses such tools as so-called advanced data analysis, in plain English. The system uses complex techniques to analyze large quantities of information to provide actionable insights beyond traditional business intelligence. For example, by uploading a file to ChatGPT, the information will be investigated, resulting in making your world much easier to understand. Plugins and custom GPTs are strong examples of specialized helper apps. They let people tailor ChatGPT help with travel, shopping, calculations, creative work, and other more focused. Voice direction, male, friendly, teacher-like. Explain memory. ChatGPT can remember useful preferences and details so answers feel more personal and more consistent over time. In its writing assistant role, ChatGPT can help with emails, letters, notes, and everyday communication by drafting, editing, and improving clarity big time. ChatGPT can assist you in doing your everyday tasks, including optimizing travel plans, acting as a repository for your recipes, acting as a filing cabinet for your most important documents, researching and validating health ideas, answering money management questions, and even helping out with special gift ideas. Please understand that a key approach to getting the maximum benefit from ChatGPT is to be clear, give context, ask for examples, ask it to explain simply, and review and refine the answers. In terms of safety and privacy, remember, do not overshare sensitive information. Double-check important facts, use good judgment and stay in control of your personal information. Voice direction, male, friendly, teacher-like. Final thoughts. ChatGPT can become a powerful partner that saves time, sparks ideas, and simplifies tasks. If I can do it, you can do it probably better. Please subscribe, visit the website, and contact us. Our goal is practical help, not technical showmanship.